In life, our biggest mistakes don't always come from what we do. They come from what we don't do, from not appreciating what we already have, from delaying happiness until someday. Today's story will make you pause and reflect. It will show you how a single thought can change a peaceful life into a restless one. So listen carefully, because this story is not just about a farmer. It's about you and me. One fine day, a king decided to go for a long walk with his quick-witted minister. As they walked through the countryside, the king noticed a poor farmer and his family dancing together, laughing, cheering, and supporting one another with full hearts. The king was surprised by their happiness. Looking at the joyful faces, he turned to his minister and asked, "How is it possible that they are happier than us even though we have everything?" The minister smiled politely and replied, "Because they are not members of the 99 Club." Curious, the king asked, "What is the 99 Club?" The minister said, "Give me 99 gold coins and 6 months' time. Then I will show you." The king agreed and handed over exactly 99 gold coins. That night, the minister placed a bag containing the coins near the farmer's house. The next morning, the farmer discovered the bag. Seeing the gold, he shouted with excitement. His wife and son rushed out immediately. Together, they counted the coins once, twice, even 3 times, but the number remained the same. 99. Confused, the farmer said to himself, "Why would someone leave only 99 coins? Why not make it 100, a complete number?" From that moment, his mind changed. He decided to work harder than ever to earn just 1 more gold coin, so he could complete the 100. Even though he knew it might take years, days passed. One day, his wife spent 2 coins on household needs. That evening, as was now his habit, the farmer counted the coins again. To his shock, there were only 97 left. Angrily, he asked, "Where are the 2 gold coins?" His wife calmly replied, "I used them for shopping." The farmer shouted at her. The next day, his son unknowingly took 2 coins. This time the farmer became even more furious. Slowly arguments replaced laughter, cheerful moments disappeared. Peace turned into constant tension. Almost 6 months passed like this. After 6 months, the minister brought the king back to the same place. To the king's astonishment, the farmer's family was now fighting with one another. The joy was gone. The smiles were gone. Life felt heavy and unhappy. The king, disturbed by what he saw, asked softly, "Now tell me, what is the 99 Club?" The minister replied calmly, "The 99 Club is made up of people who have 99 gold coins, but spend their entire lives chasing the missing one. In doing so, they forget to enjoy the 99 they already have." The story teaches us that happiness is not destroyed by lack, but by the constant desire for just one more. The farmer was peaceful and joyful until his focus shifted from gratitude to comparison. From what he had to what he was missing. That single thought turned wealth into worry, ambition into obsession, and love into conflict. When goals become unchecked, they silently steal our peace and damage our relationships, proving that money or success cannot bring happiness unless the mind is ready to receive it. Unused blessings are wasted blessings. What we postpone enjoying today may never return tomorrow. True contentment comes from appreciating the present, not from chasing a perfect number. This story reminds us that happiness is shaped by our mindset, not our circumstances, and that life is meant to be lived fully in the moment, not spent endlessly running after something that will never feel complete. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today. See you again in the next.